Xavier High School class of 2022. And please remain standing. Please remain standing.
Student whose academic success and integrity is unquestioned among his peers. A student who played on both varsity and JV basketball, excelled in the robotics club, and starred on our school's track team. Rick Daytec Jr. is an accomplished young man with a bright future ahead of him. In the fall, he'll be attending Fairfield University in Connecticut.
There is a well-known saying, it takes a village to raise a child. This quote means that the contribution of a whole community is the foundation for the upbringing of a single child. Much like the Xavier community, which includes faculty and staff, administration, family, alumni, benefactors, and fellow students, each and every one of them has a role in the development of a single student. Single student's values, character, and academics, regardless of how much they have contributed. To His Excellency Bishop Julia Henkel, the Board of Directors, our keynote speaker, Ms. Majeline Marie Kim, Father Kenny, Mr. Carl, teachers, faculty, distinguished alumni, beloved families, and guests. My name is Rick J.R. B. Daytec, better known as JR, and on behalf of the class of 2022, thank you for coming and good afternoon. To Father Kenny and Mr. Carl, for being the great role models who inspire us with your humility and leadership and ensuring the success of every school year. On behalf of the Prometheans, we are very grateful. To the Dean of Faculty and also our literature teacher and English teacher, Miss Marianne Nicollet, we are very grateful for your persistence in pushing us to keep moving forward despite our complaints and whines, and for making us greet the day. To our pre-calculus and physics teacher, Mr. Philip Kiley, thank you for bringing great joy into our class. And to our college counselor, Mr. Jack Cashmere, thank you for putting so much effort into paving the way for our future by guiding us through the process of applying for college. Thank you for dealing with our noisy class with your famous 2 words. Shut up. Julia, thank you for being